Hello dear students, I am your English teacher and I welcome you all in our official channel Sims Official and I hope कि आप सभी बच्चे इस चैनल के थ्रू सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के वीडियो रिसीव कर रहे हैं और अच्छे से सारे सब्जेक्ट्स लर्न कर रहे हैं. So today we will continue our lesson 3 of your grammar book. Lesson 3 of your grammar book is pronoun. As in our previous class, we discussed about that what is pronoun, kinds of pronoun, and I taught you about the very first type of pronoun, that was personal pronouns. So today we will talk about another kind of pronoun, and that is reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns is used when we want to refer back to the subject. Originally, reflection is the process when light comes back to its origin point. Same here. The pronouns what we use for the subject. The pronouns what refer back to the subject. जो subject को ही refer करते हैं, known as reflexive pronoun. Here, they are receiver of the action. Reflexive pronouns are the receiver of the action and behave like ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ब. तो ये दो चीज़ें बताई गई हैं बच्चों. पहला कि हमेशा एक्शन के रिसीवर के तौर पर काम करते हैं और दूसरा बिहेव लाइक ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ब बट दे रेफर टू द सेम पर्सन एज द सब्जेक्ट. लेकिन ये हमेशा सब्जेक्ट को रेफर करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल्स: आई वॉज प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ ऑन द ओकेजन. जैसे I is subject here and myself is the reflexive pronoun. तो ये myself यहाँ पर I को refer कर रहा है. You will fall down and hurt yourself. You is subject here and yourself is reflexive pronoun. Yourself is reflecting you in this sentence. Another examples: I have done my homework myself. I is subject here and myself is the reflexive pronoun which refer to the subject I. Two bullet points about this reflexive pronouns. It always ends with selves in case of plural. जैसे हम plural में s या es यूज़ करते हैं, वैसे ही plural reflexive pronoun में it usually ends with selves and it ends with self in case of singular. और singular में हम हमेशा इसको self के साथ end करते हैं. Let's see this table. By this table you will understand reflexive pronoun very clearly. Like myself is singular reflexive pronoun. As I told you that in singular reflexive pronoun we use self, self, and ourself is the plural reflexive pronoun. Yourself is singular reflexive pronoun. Yourselves is plural reflexive pronoun. These both are same, but in case of singulars we use yourself and in case of plurals we use yourselves. Himself, herself and itself. These three are singular reflexive pronoun and in plural in this case we use themselves and यूजुअली themselves के लिए सब्जेक्ट हम यूज़ करते हैं they. So this was all about the kind of pronoun that was reflexive pronoun.